Today we are going to explain Aloha Protocol. Aloha Protocol was developed by the University of Hawaii in 1970. It is used for wireless LANs, but it is applicable to any shared media. There are two types of Alohas. One is pure Aloha and the one is slotted Aloha. Now we are going to see pure Aloha. In this pure Aloha, each and every station sends frames whenever the frames are ready. It is a shared single channel, so there is a possible of collisions. Uh, uh, the retransmission of the frames are done after a random back of time. Whenever these transmissions came to a pause, maximum tree transitions, then the transition will be stopped. Next, the example for the pure aloha. There are 600 kilometers apart, and propagation speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, and TP is 2 milliseconds. The back of time TB varies with the K. The K value is 1. Then milliseconds may be 1, 0 or 2. When the K value is 2, the milliseconds may be, means the TP value may be 0, 2, 4, 6 milliseconds. When the K is 3, the milliseconds, the TP value may be 0, 2, 4, up to 14 milliseconds. If the K is greater than 10, it is set to 10. Next, verbal time in the pure aloha. The verbal time is equals to 2 into TFR. Collisions can occur if another station transmits within TFR before or after a frame. These frames will be, when they are ready, they will be sending the frames. So whenever the transmission is done within the TRF or after or before a frame, then collision maybe happens. Here example, frame is 200 bits, channels are 200 kbps. TRF time is 1 milliseconds, and verbal time will be 2 milliseconds. Next, through output of a pure aloha. Through output of a pure aloha is equals to G into capital Z into small z power of minus 2z. Maximum S is 0.184, that means 18.4%, where when a G value is 0.5. Here are the examples. When 1000 FPS, then S value will be 0.135. Then 135 survey will be there. If FPS value is 500, then S value will be 0.184. Then 92 survey will be there. If FPS value is 250, then S value equals to 0.152. Then survey value is 38. If next we are going to see slotted aloha. In this is the improvement of the pure aloha. uh, it uh, it is more efficient than the pure aloha. Here the time will be divided into slots. There will be a time for each frame. The Whenever frame want to transmit the data, it will be done at beginning of the slot only. The stations will be synchronized. Collisions only will occur if two or more stations start in a same slot. In a same slot, then only it will be possible to collide. Verbal time and throw output in a slotted aloha. Verbal time is equals to TRF into of pure aloha. This is extension of the pure aloha. So TRF into of the pure aloha is the verbal time. And through output S equals to Z in capital Z into capital G into small e capital E into small e power of minus capital E. Uh, Here through output is also changed. There the pure aloha through output is 2Z. Here the output through output of the slotted aloha is only Z, because see, the verbal time is also reduced to the half. Year through output also reduced to the half. And minimum S equals to 0.368. That means 36.8%. Here Z value is 1. And example for the slotted aloha. There are 200 bits of frames and 200 kbs of channels, and TRF value is 1 millisecond. And if FP value is 1000, S value will be 0.368 and the survey will be 368 survey. If FP value is 500, then the S value will be 0.303. Then the survey value will be 151. If FP value is 250, the S value will be 0.195. The survey value will be 49. And the comparison between the pure aloha and the slotted aloha. Pure aloha is a random transmission, means there will be no time. If whenever the frame is ready, it will be transmitting the frame. And in slotted aloha we have a time slots. Whenever the time slot starts, then only we will be able to transmit the frame. And the verbal time of the pure aloha is 2FR, and the verbal time of the slotted aloha is TFR, and maximum through output is 18.4. Maximum output through output of the slotted aloha is 36.8. Slotted aloha is twice as efficient. It is twice efficient than the pure slotted aloha.